sometimes content in our cell does not fit or visible completely. So we can adjust the cell width using here border. If you want to adjust the width of the cell from the column, similarly for the rows. Now if you want to make this content into rows, you can just use shortcut command alt and enter. So you can see that this content have been changed in two rows, one in one and row in two. Similarly, you can see here sometimes some content does not fit in the cell, and you can just press double click, so it will Excel will automatically adjust the width of the cell. You can see that. Okay, thanks for watching.